Monstera deliciosa is an unassuming green beauty that is surprisingly so easy to take care of. The plant does not throw any tantrum, it does not require you to attend to it every day. In fact, it just grows on its own. So we can say that Monstera deliciosa is a low maintenance plant, and it adds so highly to the decorative value of your home because it has huge leaves with dramatic hole formations. Today I want you to accompany me to the journey of a Monstera leaf. Now whenever a new leaf comes in a plant, it is very heartwarming because you witness the growth of a new life. Now this leaf I decided to shoot because my Monstera came up with a new leaf after nearly 6 months, and I thought that the plant was maybe dead because it was not putting up with any new leaf. I was so happy and excited that I decided to film the unfurling of this leaf, and I wanted to share it with you because it's such a beautiful journey. So let's see. So let us first see what are the requirements of a Monstera plant. First is soil. So we need to use a well-drained potting soil. We can add perlite and gravel for extra drainage. Second is a light requirement. The Monstera needs only bright indirect light. Too much of harsh sunlight is not good for it, and if it gets morning light, that is sufficient for the Monstera plant. For watering, we can water the plant once a week and make sure the water drains out. We need to water it only when the soil is dry.
The ideal temperature for Monstera would be between 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, and which is neither very hot nor very cold. The plant loves humidity, so if we spray it regularly, the leaves really respond well. As for fertilizer is concerned, we need to fertilize it once in a month. That is sufficient. I use vermicompost or the seaweed fertilizer. For propagation, the most common method is to take stem cuttings, and we have to make sure that we take the stem cutting just below the node, and then we can put it in soil and the plant will grow. For potting, we need to remember to take a pot that has holes at the bottom so that the water drains out.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the unfurling of the leaf as much as I enjoyed filming it. Thank you so much for taking out your valuable time and watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and also follow us on our Instagram account. Thank you.